The shifter system malfunction warning in modern Hyundai vehicles indicates a problem within the electronic system that controls gear shifting. This issue primarily affects 2020 and newer models, including the Sonata, Elantra, and Santa Fe. When this warning appears, it means the vehicle's electronic shifting system has detected a fault that could affect safe operation. The system may prevent gear changes or display incorrect gear positions. The shifter system consists of three main components. The shifter control module acts as the primary control unit communicating with the transmission. Position sensors detect the shifter's location using Hall effect technology. The actuator assembly contains electric motors that control physical gear engagement. Based on 2024 field data, faulty position sensors account for 42% of shifter system malfunctions. Software corruption causes 28% of issues, while wiring harness problems represent 18%. Mechanical actuator failures make up the remaining 12% of cases. Key symptoms include intermittent gear recognition, where the system fails to detect the correct gear position, system freezing with incorrect gear display, warning lights on the dashboard, and unusual sounds during shifting operations. These signs indicate the need for immediate diagnostic attention. The first step in troubleshooting Hyundai shifter system issues is connecting an OBD2 scanner to read diagnostic trouble codes. This provides immediate insight into what the system has detected. Common diagnostic trouble codes for shifter system malfunctions include P705 for transmission range sensor circuit malfunction, P0706 for range sensor performance issues, and U0101 indicating lost communication with the transmission control module. Next, check for technical service bulletins or TSBs. Hyundai regularly issues bulletins like TSB 24BD003H that address known shifter system issues and provide specific repair procedures and software updates. If the issue is software-related, ECU reprogramming may be required. This involves downloading the latest calibration files and performing a complete system initialization using specialized diagnostic equipment. For hardware-related issues, component replacement may be necessary. Position sensor replacement typically costs between $180 and $320, while complete shifter assembly replacement ranges from $800 to $1,400, including labor. Software-related shifter issues are increasingly common, representing 65% of new problems. Technicians need specialized diagnostic equipment and continuous training to stay current with evolving electronic shifter systems. Successful shifter system repair requires a systematic approach. Start with OBD2 diagnostics, check for TSBs, consider software solutions first, then move to hardware replacement if needed. Always ensure your technician has current diagnostic equipment and training.